So here we have the Mitsubishi Outlander automatic on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As you can see, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that all 7 seats are in place at the moment. So this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. To drop the rear 2 seats down, just pull that tab on the top of the seat and give the seat a push forwards. And then same on this side. And then you can see how much boot space you have as a 5-seater. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the Rev Counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 15,120. You can also see down there the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and as it's an automatic, it will show you what gear this car is in, so we're in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, and on the right-hand side, cruise control and speed limiter. Just behind the steering wheel, we have this minus and plus paddle. That is so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the center, we have the touch screen for the car. So this is where you can pair your phone, access your satellite navigation, etc. There's a full video showing how the satellite navigation works on both our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. You can access your music from up here. And as you'll see, plenty of ways in which you can listen to it too. So AM, FM radio. We've also got DAB radio just here. iPod input, Bluetooth audio, USB audio, USB video. Loads of different ways in which you can get your entertainment up on this screen. The home button just there will take us back to the screen that we started at. You can also get your vehicle information, trip computer, etc. on there as well. Below that, we have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the driver and passenger temperatures independently of one another. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on. A bit hard to see, but there's a light that comes on just here to let you know that it's turned on. Or you can hit auto. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. You can override that at any time you wish to just by making any manual adjustment. You'll see auto has now gone off. Underneath that section, you can plug the key in here. You don't have to, as long as the key is on your person in the car, you'll be able to start the engine from there. We have a 12-volt charging socket. Underneath that one there, you'll find the USB input, again for your music, heated steering wheel, blind spot monitoring system, and you can put the car in eco mode from here. We have a couple of cup holders, you can close that section over. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then this button will lock it into 4-wheel drive. We have an electronic handbrake with auto hold function, and driver and passenger heated seats, both of which have 2 different heat settings each. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.